Rocket Pat here. Alright guys, it's another hot rocket day in the jungle, and I am back on the little Ford Falcon, the little lady over here, and happy to say I got the frame rails all built up, that what I needed to do. This is 3x3. Yeah, that's 3x3. And the problem I ran into was that the original inner rocker kind of set up, the frame rail, if you will, has a curve to it. So in order for me to get this beam pushed up high enough, I had to add 3/8 of an inch to it. So I already had some 1/4 inch that's stock over there. So I welded it on there. It wasn't enough. I went back to the steel store and got a 1/8 inch piece and welded it all together. This one on the passenger side, I put the 1/8 inch on the bottom. But it's all welded, it's all solid, and it's heavy. And I got everything ready to go up underneath. Got everything cleaned up, cut out. Pour 15 so that it, kill any rust that we got going on up in there. If you notice all the holes are going to be, I am going to plug weld that big beam up to this original structure. The problem I have is I can't get on this side to weld, so the beam, I need it to be welded here and here to give the car some structure. And then when we're done, we're gonna tie the outer rocker panel to that beam, basically soliding what would have been here, coming straight down from here to here. We'll end up back with, and then I'll build a piece to come across make it look better over to the floor. But that's where I'm at this point. It is Monday, and I have got all the crap cut out of it, and it is time to get back to go in the opposite direction and start welding stuff in place. Once I get this beam in place, then I'll be able to pick the car up by the beam, but then I can come back and start fixing some of the other rust that's in the car once I get some structure to it and everything. But all right, guys, well, that's what I got going on today. I am going to get rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking on the little Ford Falcon, because I need to get that little girl out of this garage. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. I'll keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.